Let's discuss how we can link objects together in Ed. For example, we want this yellow switch to be linked to this yellow door. So when we pull this lever, the door opens or closes. We can do that with tags. So first I'm gonna select the yellow switch, and then I'm gonna open the properties. On the top over here, we have a tab for the properties of the board, so everything in that board. And the second tab belongs to the tile itself. So we can add a tag, let's say 1. And now you can see on top of the lever it shows 1. So now we do the same with the door. We click on the door, add a tag 1. And now they're linked together. Let's do something else. For example, I'm going to draw more platforms. And then I'll put a switch over here, a blue switch. And I want this blue switch to be connected to vertical electricity fields. So I can do the same. I'll just click on the switch, add a tag, let's say 2, and then I can click on this tile and also add 2 and do it for all the tiles. Now if we want to do this and we have a lot of objects to link that are similar, instead of just adding a tag to the tile, we can add the tag to the TileDef. So instead of doing all this, I can click on my electricity tile, and from here I can open the TileDef. Here I have all the settings belonging to that TileDef. So I can go to the data tab, and here I can add a tag 2. Now if I come back, you can see that this lever is connected to everything that's tagged with 2. You can turn on and off these visualizations by clicking on grid settings, and then over here you can toggle the nodes or the labels. If you want to add just arbitrary text on your tiles, let's say you have 2 different elevator tiles, one is horizontal, one is vertical, or some other data that you just want to see at design time, you can go back to the TileDef. For example, if I click on the TileDef and open the settings, I can enter the designer hint text. Let's call it green flame, and the text appears on top of my tile. So I know what the tile is gonna do.